Here we are. It's been a while, but I'm doing this for fun, not for professional means. Lightning F6 Revell kit, but originally an Hassegawa kit from 1967, and it really does show. Not up to the modern standards, but I've done a few extras. I've filled in the exhausts. That was bare, open, and a few other things I've painted up and tried to. Oh yeah, it was raised panel lines, so I had to scrape all the panel lines off and rescribe them. Paint isn't as good as I usually do, because I had to try and extra coats, but I haven't got much battery left in my camera, so I'll try and keep it short. I had to paint there's no decal for the yellow line around this cockpit. Cockpit doesn't fit properly, but it's the 6-foot roller, isn't it? If you can see it from a distance, and it's if you can't see it from a distance, then you're okay. But there we go. My efforts to build the Revell Rebox of the Hassegawa 1967 tooling of the Lightning F.6 in RAF livery. Not a lot much to say about that. The wing broke off when I was doing it, but despite its best efforts, I managed to beat its will not to be made, and there you go. I'll be making more in the next couple of months, and keep you in touch. Thanks for keep watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.